Hey everyone, I'm Brian with OBEDIA and PCAudioLabs, and today I'm giving you a quick look at the PCAudioLabs RokBox MC m7s Pro Audio laptop. And we do have a 15-inch model of this Pro Audio laptop as well. This is a laptop spec'd out specifically for audio production on the go and in the studio. I'm just going to give you a general look at its features. You can go to PCAudioLabs.com to see our most up-to-date specifications about the system, because those are subject to change. But if you go to PCAudioLabs.com, you will be able to configure your system exactly to your liking. And if you have questions, you can always get in touch with us at PCAudioLabs.com. So that said, as I say, this is a 17-inch Pro Audio laptop, and that's one big deal because 17-inch laptops are few and far between now. Many laptop manufacturers have axed 17-inch models, but we know that having extra screen real estate is really important when you're doing audio and video production. I myself really prefer a 17-inch laptop screen, especially for performing live DJing and things along those lines. So lots of screen space, very thin bezel on this screen. It is a matte finish screen, and there is a webcam at the top right there for doing teleconferencing and etc. The touchpad is a very large touchpad, which is multi-gesture sensitive. It does have a fingerprint reader and dedicated left and right click mouse buttons. You're also going to find a full-size backlit chiclet style keyboard, and this is a single color keyboard, so you can color the entire keyboard different colors if you wish. And as I say, the system is specified specifically for pro audio and video production, so in the case of this model, it's going to support latest generation Intel CPUs. It's also going to support lots of internal hard drives. That's important because then you're not going to have to carry around external hard drives, especially for those who are DJs. I think it's really important to just have your library of songs inside your laptop instead of carrying external hard drives, because those can have problems. They can crash, they can get lost. If everything is in your laptop, it makes it a lot easier to be able to get the job done, especially as someone who works live with a laptop. I do know this, being someone who performs and DJs from a PCAudioLabs Pro Audio laptop. So that's the system when it is opened up, and I'll show you the features on the sides as well and what the system looks like clamshelled. When the system is clamshelled, you'll find that it's nice and thin. This is a very thin system. You're going to find on one side of the laptop, on the side which is the left-hand side, you'll find a mini SD card reader, USB 3.0 port, and your audio input and output jacks. And then on the right-hand side of the system, you'll find two more USB 3.0 ports and a Ethernet port, which has a small door on it, which will push down if you put an Ethernet cable into it. This allows the system to be much more slim and also still retain a full-size Ethernet port. Finally, on the back of the system, you will find a mini display port, HDMI output, and your power jack, as well as a Thunderbolt port, which is the Thunderbolt 3 port, the combination USB Type-C and Thunderbolt port with speeds up to 40 gigabit per second. So this is a Pro Audio laptop supporting Thunderbolt as well. And there you have it, everyone. That is a look at the PCAudioLabs RokBox MC m7s 17-inch Pro Audio laptop from PCAudioLabs.com. Now again, you can configure your system at PCAudioLabs.com, or if you need help, give us a call, send us an email, get in touch with us on your favorite social media network. We are here to help you get into the best pro audio PC that money can buy. If you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch. As always, everyone, I'm Brian with OBEDIA and PCAudioLabs. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time, and take care.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.